Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to verify email address in Character AI. First of all, open up your preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for beta.character.ai. Now, you will be redirected to the home page of Character AI. Once the website is fully loaded, click on the Sign Up option at the top right of your screen. Here, enter your email address, or you can continue with your existing accounts of Google and Apple. After entering your email address, click on the Continue button. Now, Character AI will send you the verification link on your registered email address. So go to your Gmail inbox and look for the Character AI mail. Once you find the mail, open it and then click on Sign into Character AI Embed. After that, you will be redirected to this new page. Now, select your username and put your date of birth. Also make sure to check mark this box and then click on Join Character. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.